Winner, the name fits. Winner is without any doubt the world's most successful optimist brand, and over the years it has proved its worth both on the race course and in the value of its boats. Sail Coach, making you better. With over 20 years in the coaching business, no other coach organization comes close to Sail Coach's track record, which includes 2 Olympic laser medals. Now Winner and Sail Coach are teaming up to offer world-class coaching clinics in the Mediterranean on the Maltese Islands. Sail Coach has discovered the hidden gem of the Mediterranean and sailing's best-kept secret, Malta. For sailors, the islands offer a mild climate and a choice of different wind and wave conditions, allowing you to vary the type of training from day to day. Another advantage of Malta is very few sailing days are lost. The Winner coaching clinics will be offered most months of the year, and there will be sufficient boats on the Maltese Islands to offer national teams training opportunities. The Maltese Islands are served well by its national airline, and most of the European budget carriers, along with Emirates and Turkish Airways, bringing people in from Eastern Europe, Asia, Africa, and beyond. Malta's strong tourist industry helps us provide value for money. All-inclusive packages for hotel or apartment accommodation, all this within easy walking distance to the boat park, gyms, and other amenities. It is worth noting that Malta, in spite of being a popular holiday spot, is the safest country in Europe. Again, another advantage when working with young people. The coldest average daytime temperature in winter is 12 degrees Celsius and an average of 28 degrees Celsius in the summer months. Making things even better, the average water temperature is 16 degrees Celsius in winter and 28 degrees Celsius in the summer months. For more information, visit www.sailcoach.com or email info@sailcoach.com.